iOS 27 has new image generation tool now known as Playground. Hey Siri, open Playground. So here's the user interface. You can also choose your existing photos or take a photo. For example, let's say I want to generate a crocodile with glasses emoji. Let's say I want to generate an emoji. It's taking its own time, and as you can see, did a decent job. Let's try something else now. A frog with, say, raincoat. I don't know why you wanna generate an emoji like that, but let's see. Again, it does take a while, and I wanted a full image, not an emoji. Let's see if it picks up or it generates a completely different image. Again, it's taking its own time, and yeah, it followed up the question or my prompt. So if you like this video, please subscribe. I hope this video helped you in some way. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.